that, you know, the government is coming up with. So we really want to help, especially black women, right, to become healthier. We have a lot of problems. We have a lot of health issues. Before I started TLC, I was 350 pounds. Before I started TLC, I was 350 pounds, took the tea, went to the bathroom, and I was constipated for 5 weeks. I didn't go to the bathroom because of the stuff that we were eating. And believe it or not, 1 in 5 women are constipated. They take a long time to go to the bathroom. Or I met a lady, 5 months, she didn't go to the bathroom. Right? So this is an epidemic of women not going to the bathroom, women not losing weight, women being stressed out. And we have a goal to help more women to be relaxed. So I'm glad everybody came, you know, here. And I'm Tanisha Marie. So I'm a digital marketer. I market online, right? So I've been doing online marketing for the last 6 years. And I absolutely love it because I'm able to do what I want to do when I want to do it, and able to help people like Tiffany who want to get involved and who want to jump on board and do the same thing. So I've been able to generate over $2 million in my business in the last 6 years from home. I'm also an Amazon seller. So my main thing is selling on Amazon. I do this part-time, and I help people fix their credit also too part-time. So I love what I do, and I want to help more women be able to work from home and make an extra $1,000 a month. This is why Tiffany, you know, got on board. So I want to help. How much you made already, Tiffany, in TLC?
Probably $1,000 in the last month.
So Tiffany made about $1,000 already, and Tiffany just got started with this, right? So this is not a complicated thing. Right, so this is not a complicated thing, right? This is just listening to the training, understanding the training. We train you on how to do all of this stuff, and then you go out. So the same way Tiffany's having a home party, you guys will have a home party, get people involved, and sell products. There's a recession coming, right? There's a recession coming. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but there's a recession coming where the Fed just dropped the interest rates. And what does that mean when the Fed dropped the interest rate? That means our money can no longer make money in the bank. Right? Our money can no longer do anything for us. We have to now work more hours to make the same amount of money. Okay? So there's a recession, and the only way that we're going to get ahead of the recession and stay ahead is if we have a business where we're selling products, right? Where we're selling services, and we can make money every single day. Now, when I got fired from my job, I was used to just making money every 2 weeks. When I realized that we need money from the day we're born to the day we die, we need to make money every single day. Okay? That 2 week jump doesn't work. That 1 month jump doesn't work. That 1 week, it does not work because we have too many bills. Inflation goes up. Every time you turn around, it's somebody's birthday. Every time you turn around, it's a new holiday. Every time you turn around, the kids need something. So how can we get ahead? Right? Unfortunately, we didn't learn too much about money. Unfortunately, we didn't learn too much about business. Unfortunately, we didn't learn too much about building a legacy, right? So when people hear it, they're like, oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to recruit people. I don't want to do this. But the reality of it is, guys, we literally are referring people every single day to the new bag, to the new hair, right? To the new bracelets, right? To the new movie, to the new sneakers, and we're not getting paid for it, right? We're not getting paid. Right? So my thing is, why not use something like Tiffany's using, and she's telling you guys about it so that she can get paid, right? So it's not just a one-sided thing. It's, okay, I want to share these great products that's been around for 20 years with other women and men so they can get on board, okay? Because it's basically each one reach one. So Tiffany, I reached Tiffany. We found me on YouTube, Tiffany?
Yeah, she has a lot of YouTube.
Yeah, so Tiffany found me on YouTube. So now Tiffany's here.
Facebook.
Right, so Tiffany found me on YouTube. Now we're here. So now Tiffany know you guys. I don't know who's going to get involved today, but my thing is, guys, if you only have one income or even two incomes, that is not enough. Okay? You're supposed to have money left over. Every time you pay your bills, it's supposed to be money left over in your bank account or money left over in your pocket. It shouldn't be this check to check thing. Okay? That causes anxiety, it causes depression, and it stresses you the hell out. Right? It stresses you out. Trust me, I used to be a social worker, so I know I was only making 30 grand per year. Okay, and after taxes, that was like $15,000. Taxes is crazy. So I could not see myself getting ahead. I used to live in the basement, my husband, my 2 kids, and I could not get ahead. It wasn't until I started to change my mindset around entrepreneurship. It wasn't until I started understanding how business works, how money works. Like, I have to be able to exchange something with you so that you can exchange your hard-earned money with me. So I feel like we just don't know enough about enough. Right? I just feel like we don't know enough about money. We don't know enough about legacy. We don't know enough about making money. People right now in America are dying broke. People right now in America can't retire after 65 because it's no money, right? And with the Feds dropping interest rates right now, people lost over trillions of dollars in their 401k, okay? So for you guys that have 401k, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do suggest you guys take your money out of the 401k because you're gonna lose money every single day, okay? So the only way, I'm telling you, the only way, guys, that you're going to get ahead, how many of you guys have a job right now? Right, so basically all of y'all, right? And the only way you're gonna get ahead, your job could say bye-bye, right? Your job could be like, you know what, I'm done with you, or your job could demote you, right? And here's the thing, if you've been working a job for 10, 20, 30 years, you're making less money now than 30 years ago, right? See, people, we don't realize it because we're so used to just going to work, getting a check, paying the bills, right? That's all we're used to doing, right? So we don't realize that, you know what? My rent went up, right? My gas went up, bread went up. People can't even buy 2 loaves of bread anymore. People can't even buy 2 gallons of milk anymore. $7 for a gallon of milk? A gallon of milk used to be $1, $1.50, $3. What happened? Inflation goes up. So if you don't have a business where you can sell products or services to people, guess what? You will work a job until you die. Okay? So my goal, guys, is to build a team, build up people, build myself while helping others also build themselves. So I'm gonna tell you guys how you can get involved. With Total Life Changes. Now we get paid 5 different ways. So Tiffany has the one way which she's been doing retail, right, Tiffany? So
Right.
what's the product you've been selling?
Basically, the teas, the drops, and the oils.
Okay. So
I
Tiffany.
think the tea will. Most people will buy tea.
Okay. So Tiffany's been selling mainly the tea, right? Of course, the tea is instant, right? And you can take it and you can feel an effect within 12 to 24 hours. So TLC, we get paid 5 ways. Tiffany's tapping into the first way that we get paid is through retail. Now, of course, just like selling these bracelets, just like selling wigs or whatever, that's retail money. So you can make money every single day for the rest of your life selling these products every single day. So how it works, the first way is you get paid through retail. So you get 50% commission. So if we go to our back office, we have a whole list of 40, 50 different products in TLC. So we get our own website, right? If you decide to get involved, you get your own website in TLC, right? And you get all the products, about 50 products on the website. So we can become our own customer. So what I love about it is that we can become our own customer and make 50% commissions, right? So Tiffany goes to her back office, right? And buys all of these products. Tiffany gets 50%. Right? And then now she can go and sell it to other people and still make another 50%. So this, in turn, Tiffany's making 100% commission, right? On her products every single day, right? See, this is recession proof. Everybody won't lose weight. Everybody won't go to the bathroom. Everybody need energy. How many people taking Red Bull, Monster drinks all day long, right? So these products are in demand, right? This is not something where I'm trying to convince people to do it because everybody drinks tea already. Everybody drinks coffee, right? Because we also have the detox coffee. So Tiffany taps into the first way, which is the retail. Now we also have a website. So say you get involved and you want people to go to your website, you'll get 50% commission for someone going to your website. So say, right now, you say, I gotta wait till I get paid to get some NutriBurst. Then Tiffany will send you her website. Then you'll go on it. When you get paid, you'll buy some NutriBurst. Tiffany will make 50%. So whatever you spend, so say you spend, $50, Tiffany's getting 50% of that. So it's like we're in a partnership with Jack Fowler, right? We're in a partnership with him because he understands the word of mouth referral, right? We're not doing advertising, we're not getting billboards, and we're not on TV and all that stuff. It's literally word of mouth, right? It's network marketing, right? And this is the way that most people, right, need to be involved with because this is a way where you can make a lot of money, right? This is dependent on 100% your efforts, right? This is all you. Like I said, Tiffany made $1,000. I didn't even know Tiffany made $1,000, and that's just her retailing, right? Retailing the money, and then sending people also to her website. So now Tiffany, you was asking, right, Raquel? Mm-hmm. Now how you get involved? So Tiffany, say Tiffany join, right? And say any packet you can come in anywhere from $100 to $2,000, depending on what you want to do. Some people want to launch a health and wellness company. So if you want to launch a health and wellness company, You come at $2,000, right? Where you have enough product where you can now sell and sample, out to people. Or if you say, you know what, I just want to try, you come in on $100 or $200 pack. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter. Tiffany's going to get 50%. So you come in on 2,000, Tiffany made 1,000. You come in on 100, Tiffany made 50. So that's everybody that you decide to get on board. So you can have 100 people. You can have 200 people. Every single person that gets involved, you get 50%. So the company sends you all your stuff and sends Tiffany the check, right? So this happens globally around this world every single day. People are generating money with TLC. Now, your obligation to be in business with us is $40. You need to be spending at least $40 a month, and you need to have at least one of the products, right? So say if you love the tea, right, then you'll just be on auto ship for the tea every month. You'll get the tea every single month. See, this is a multi-million-dollar business, right? And you're running it for $40. Okay, that doesn't stop there. I mean, of course, that's just the minimum just to keep yourself active. You can come in, like I said, anywhere from $99 all the way up to $2,000. Now, this is a check match. Whatever Tiffany does, she gets binary qualified. Whatever Tiffany does in the binary, because you build the business two ways. You get one person on your left side, you get one person on your right side. Tiffany gets binary qualified. Whatever Tiffany does in the binary, I get 50% of that, right? So you get involved, whatever you do in the binary, Tiffany gets 50% of that. So that's the fourth way. The last way that we get paid is a bonus. So once you reach a certain level in TLC, they pay you $1,500 per month. Who can use extra $1,500, right? Per month, right? For doing what you were already supposed to be doing. You're already supposed to be helping people. You're already supposed to be taking a product. You're already supposed to be making money. So Jack Fallon said, okay, well, you're out there building the business, so we're going to give you extra $1,500. Now, you have to be at least a national director to get $1,500. I made about $90,000 in TLC part-time in the last 4 years. So that beats a job, going to get a second job. A lot of people think getting a second job is the answer. More jobs means you're paying more tax. That's all that means, right? So people getting 2 and 3 jobs, all you're doing is just paying more in taxes, and you got to work harder for less money. So a business is the only way, guys, that we're going to get ahead in life, that we're going to be able to build a legacy for our children, that we're going to be able to now start to build some type of wealth and understand how money really works. Because working for money kills us, right? So working for money kills us. So guys, I'm interested in, helping 1,000 families earn at least $1,000 a month from home, right? Tiffany's doing this from home. She's doing this at work, right? My goal is to have a bunch of women not having jobs, right? Being able to now wake up when you're done sleeping, go to sleep when you're tired, and travel when you want to and how you want to do it, guys. So I don't know if Tiffany have applications for people that want to get involved, but we welcome you guys, whoever wants to get involved. Like I said, it's anywhere from $100 all the way up to $2,000 dollars, for you guys, especially if you don't have at least a third income. Then this is the third income for you guys. Okay? Any questions?
How you become the bonus when you get a $1,500 a month?
Well, you got to become a national director, so that means basically you are